Hi traders, in this video I will show you exactly step by step how I took trade which make me over $10,000 on my 20 Apex funded accounts and 5 top step accounts, and I will just show you the bias, why I took long, and point of interest, and literally all the reasons behind it that you can learn this strategy here on my YouTube for the free. Okay, as always, 5 minute time frame, zoom out, and where are we currently? What happened? You can see this is the lowest low of zoom out. Okay, most significant low. We make premium discount. The high of the low is here. Then price come back, sweep this liquidity and tap 50%. 50% is this one. You can see it tap here. Then now we start like new range, new low, and price go up, and I'm expecting it to make new high here because you can see really nice reaction from the 50% level, sweep a lot of liquidity here, and if we are trending up, price should go like this and now continue here to make new high, and then price maybe go down and start downtrend or continue in the uptrend. Okay, but that's, we don't try to predict the market exactly, we try to react. Okay, then this is like a bullish day for me, because when we zoom in a little bit and we check today's day, you can see here is the daily candle open of today, and if we check today day, we have this significant low, this high, and now we again the same situation like on the zoom out. We go below the 50% level, we sweep the liquidity. Okay, we sweep the liquidity, create new low, and now I'm expecting price to simply from this low go here and create new high. Then as a bias we are bullish. Really, I don't switching to 4 hour daily, marking fair value gaps and this type of shit. I'm just going 5 minutes and I zoom out. And when you zoom out, you see where the market is going. I post this analysis also inside of my Discord group. Here you can see at 9 o'clock my time zone, which is 3 o'clock in the New York. And then all group, all members who were online took the same trade like me today. You can see this is my trade here, I'm going to explain in a few minutes, and you can see all the members took the same trade. And here is the screenshot of the analysis. Here was the low, and from this one we took the long. Okay, then it's really simple, I'm explaining here for free on the YouTube. And by the way, with this trade I make $400 on my 5 top step funded accounts and $320 per account on my 20 Apex funded accounts. Currently this Monday I got over 20,000 payout from the top step. This is in euros, but in the dollars it was over 20,000. And this is of course after 10% profit split and after changing from dollar to euro. And now since that day I have already 3 profitable days on the top step. Then I just need 2 more days and I'm requesting another payout. Then you can see guys in the Discord took the same trade. Now we can go back to the charts and look what happened right now. As I say, this will be new high. If we go back, I mark it. You see this, I say it will be new high, and it literally happened. A lot of you can maybe now ask why I close in 1.5 hour, don't hold to this high, because last week I have break-even week. Now I am securing small profits to grow the account after the payout, and then I will go for 2 hour trades. Okay, now let's jump to the entry. We can turn on the replay tool. And we was bullish. Only point of interest here was this breaker block. Okay, if you trade breaker block, if you trade ICT, you can call it breaker block. Uh, it just support the resistance support flip. This high was like resistance, now it got close above and it should be like a support zone. Okay, it's this candle. Then this is one point of interest, and then here we have previous bearish fair value gap got closed, and now we have the BPR here, which is we create bullish fair value gap in previous bearish fair value gap, and it's sign that bearish momentum is ending and the bullish momentum start. Plus we hit the 50% of that range on the zoom out. We sweep this liquidity, and here you can see it's under support resistance flip. Okay, this is resistance to support, then undersigned the bullishness. And now we just go to 30 seconds because our point of interest is 5 minutes. I can delete this. FOC is confirmation, which I share only inside of the Discord group, and I will not explain it here. And now we tap the 5-minute BPR. Okay, this is our top candle because it tapped the 50%. Okay, I hope it's visible. This is top candle because we treat 0, 50% and 100% each as a specific point of interest separated. Okay, then this is our point of interest is 50% of BPR, and this in that case is our RRC candle, and we now just wait for body close above the RRC. Here we have it. I didn't enter straight here because I was posting analysis in the group. I catch later entry around here. I think 54, yes, 54 was my entry. I also write it inside of the group. Oh, it's not on the screenshot. 54 was my entry, and I get little bit later entry, but if you took trade exactly from the errors, you will have even better risk to reward. My entry was around here. Stop loss was on the 50%, and take profit was 1.5. As I say, I'm after the payout, and on the apex I had break-even week, then now I will push it with base hits. Then you can see price nice going up and straight to the take profit in few minutes. Trade was really clean, and by the bias, okay, it really, you can see now price go up and continue to create that high which I mentioned. Again, you can see this hit 50%, which means we create new range. Is this one? Well, then if we mark the new range, this is the highest high. Okay, this one, then we have 50% here. Again, we need to sweep liquidity, which is swept. Price tap 50% below the 50%. Okay, here is also some liquidity, and you can see we create that new high on the 5-minute. Then this is how I'm using zoom out sheet for the bias and not switching between the 20 time frames, and because I don't like, I understand for somebody it maybe works that you go on 4 hour, on 1 hour, on daily, and you mark fair value gaps, swing highs, lows, order blocks, and breaker blocks, all this stuff. But if you really go on the 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, 15 minutes, and you mark all of this point of interest, your chart is just full of lines. It's just lines, boxes, rectangles everywhere, and you got analysis paralysis. Like this, you zoom out, you see where we took the 50%, and you see the direction of the market, and pretty simple, you just hold. You know the bias, you are trying to go for a long today, and we played the long and we have been. And now a lot of people can ask, okay, but what if you are wrong? Of course everybody is wrong sometimes in the trading, and price will go, let's say, down today, and you try to catch longs. That's why I go one trade per day, okay? If market is bearish today and I try to catch a long, I will get loose, but I don't try to go for another long and another long and another long and trying to prove myself I am right every day, because then you will blow your accounts. Just stick to one trade per day, align it with the market direction. You just zoom out and you see the direction. It's really, look, it's pretty clean. Once price is here, we know we are looking for a shorts back to the 50% level. Then price top 50%, we are looking for a longs to this high. Okay, then from this low to this high, okay, in this range, you are just marking the ranges again, okay? This to this, you got entry here, okay? Another one, and price come back here, tap, make new high, this is your new low. Again, price make new high, come here, tap 50%, and slowly climbing, make new high. And you just go like this, okay? It's really simple. Then that's how I determine bias. Okay, that's it for this video. If if this is the first video you ever watch from me, go on my YouTube channel, find the oldest video, and in that video I explain to the details the strategy. Okay, step by step, what is RRC, what is top candle, point of interest. I explain there everything. The first video on my YouTube channel, the oldest video. And if you are interested to join my Discord group and get access to premium videos with extra confluences, I just check pin post on my Twitter channel, okay, on my Twitter profile. It's this one. When you go on my profile, it's the first post here. In this video is all information you need to know. Here below that is my reports from some accounts from Tradify, Apex, Top Step. Then there is really proof of profitability every day, because I'm posting every trade every day here on the Twitter, and I make multiple payouts with the RRC. I'm really transparent. I try to be really transparent, but also I care about my privacy and safety, okay? But I'm showing enough to prove you it's really profitable and it's working. Then you can check this and write me a message if you are interested. And if no, you can learn it also on the YouTube here for free. There is not that much confluences as I mentioned in the Discord group, but with this information which are on YouTube, if you just backtest, live trade and journal, you can find the confluences by yourself in, I don't know, 1 year, 2 years, half year, okay? Depends how much hours per day you spend on backtesting and journaling and everything, and how much to the details you go. But even with these confluences which I share on the YouTube, your win rate can be nicely around 60%, which is really more than enough with 1.5R to be profitable if you have 60% win rate, okay? With my confluences currently my win rate is around 80% and my average risk reward is 1.7. Then I'm really satisfied with this. That's it for this video. Thanks for your attention. I hope you like it, and if you have some questions, just ask in the comments. I will try to cover it in the next video. Thank you.